Alright guys, I got a 2015 Honda CRV on the lift, and we're gonna replace the front brake pads. Very simple guys, if you could turn it, it's the best. Number 14 down here, that's what I'm gonna remove. Alright, and I got new brake pads right here, and it's very simple procedure guys. Customer brought me these brake pads. There's no hardware kit, nothing we can do. Alright, remove the 14 down here, and after that you just lift up this caliper and move this boot. Put your caliper up on the top, right? Just like so. You see that? Let me bring up my camera a little bit higher guys. I think I'm too down low. Alright, there you go, that's much better. Alright, so to remove these brake pads, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this clip here, which you're gonna reuse if you don't have a new hardware kit. Alright, remove the second clip right there. Alright, very simple. Take off your brake pad, take your old brake pad, leave it here because we're gonna use it to compress that piston in. Alright, the inside brake pad comes out just like so. This brake wear indicator sensor right here, make sure you match it up. You see that? If you hold the same curve angle just like that, if this is on the opposite side, then it goes on the opposite side. Alright, so very simple. You take this, no hardware kit guys, so nothing I can do there. If you have a new hardware kit, meaning these are metal pieces here, replace them. Alright, it's very simple to replace those. You just pop them out, put new ones in. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is next is I'm gonna go get a compress tool, which is back here. Alright, and here I come with the compress tool. You're going to need a compress tool such as this or a C-clamp to compress this back in. Alright, and take this tool. If you have two C-clamps, you would use both of them, alright? You don't necessarily don't need two since it's dual piston. Alright guys, another thing I want to say, do one at a time. Don't have the rear caliper open. As you push this, it will push the back one out and you will have a bleak blue brake fluid all over. And alright, so very simple. This piston is gonna go in. Watch and see. Once one go in, if second one will start to go in. Alright, very simple job guys. Should take you 20 minutes to put these brake pads in, even if you have the hardware kit. Lube up everything guys. A lot of times I get jobs such as this one, you're gonna see brake fluid coming down because they overtop the brake fluid. I wouldn't know that. You know, a lot of people like to keep adding brake fluid when they don't need to, but that's alright. Alright, so let's take our second brake pad, which we didn't put in yet. Let's put that one in. If you got brake fluids coming out, man, that's because as the brake pads go down, the brake fluid will go down. A lot of places, oil change places, that will top off your fluid. Not a good idea, alright? Do not do that. I will make a video down on the road. So, put some lube on these pins. I have a lot of lube on this. Make sure the bottom pin is moving nicely, smoothly. We don't need to touch anything. We don't need to do anything, alright? If it's not broke, don't go crazy, alright? So, take your caliper pin, slide it in. Do not forget, I should have done that earlier. Do not forget to put your retainers. Alright, what I'm going to do is, we're going to have to work with both hands. I forgot to put these retainers in. Put this retainer in. It works like a spring. It will try to shoot out, so be careful. Put the second one in. And there you go. Alright. From here on, guys, you're going to take the number 14. Put the 14 on. And please tighten this bolt nice and tight, alright? Torque it, do it nicely, easily. You're not going to see me do it because I like to torque my stuff. I got to go through all of them. You're not going to see me doing that because I still have all of them out. I changed all 4 brake pads on this car. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, send me a message, guys. It doesn't have to be this job. It could be anything else, alright, down the road. Thank you, and bye-bye.